So the next logical step after we package our Python code together, I mean, it's already a pretty good bundle that we could pass and distribute around. But the next step would be to install it as a local command, or if you want to upload it to PyPI. So for that, I have introduced two more resources. One is, of course, the Python documentation. And what it does is actually goes through creating a setup.py and creating a README, creating a license, and all the necessary steps for you to prepare your package to be uploaded to PyPI. There's also another step-by-step guide by Deepak Kumar. And this is a pretty good resource for you to, if you want to publish your own Python code package to PyPI so other people could use it as well. So we're not going to go that far, but what we're going to do is we're going to see how we could use our existing code and make it a distribution.